Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create video in text transition effect in Filmora 10. So this is another tutorial about the same effect that you can create in Filmora 9 and also Filmora 10. I have some tutorial on my channel. By the way, there's some misunderstanding about the way you can do that, so I decided to create another tutorial just to update to you so that you can follow the step and create this effect successfully. Okay, so here I am inside my computer, and let's create a new project with Filmora 10. So this is a Filmora 10.4, and we can click this button to create a new project. Okay, and the first thing we need to create the text and take a screenshot of that text. So what I'm going to do here is to go to the title, and then I'm going to select title again, and we can use this one, the default title, the title without any animation or stuff like that, because we are going to take a screenshot, so we don't need to add any animation to this title. If you want to export this video or this title, then you can add animation to it. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop it onto the timeline. And now the next thing, you want to change the text to your channel title or stuff like that. Let's double click at the title box here and change it to my channel, for example, JKN. It is a short name of my channel, and I'm going to change the fonts to Anton, and I want to select bold and also increase the size. So I think the size should be 350 or stuff like that. Enter. Yeah, that's right. So now I have the text and a white text with the black background, so the effect will work with the black background. By the way, if I take a screenshot now, the background is transparent, so I'm going to put another sample color here down at the bottom track. So we are going to move this track up one track and go to the media again, go to the sample color and select this one, the black sample color, and drag and drop it, put it at the bottom track. And now we can take a screenshot of this title. Okay, before doing that, we need to go back to the folder here and use this button to take a screenshot. Okay, so now we have a screenshot our text with a black background. So now we can delete the title. And the next thing, we want to put our video here at this track. So I'm going to open a folder on my computer. Yeah, let's say this video, for example, this is a fire video. Okay, anyway, you can put anything. Okay, so let's drag and drop it into Filmora 10, and now drag and drop this video onto the timeline, put it at the bottom track, and now I'm going to select match to media. Okay, and it is creating proceed for my video. By the way, I don't need the proceed, so I'm going to cancel the proceed. And now we need to put the snapshot at the top track, put it right here. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to select a blending mode for our screenshot so that it can show the video inside the text. To do that, we can double click at the image here, go to the compositing, and at the blending mode option, we can select this menu and then select this one, multiply. So this multiply blending mode will create this special effect. Okay, so just click on that, and now we have just created a special effect, video in text effect in Filmora 10. Okay, so here's the effect. By the way, we want to create some animation or some movement for our text, and it is easy. We can create with the animation keyframe here. So the first thing, I want to add a keyframe to this screenshot at the beginning. Okay, so this is the first keyframe, and we can move some frame forward, maybe 12 or 20 or stuff like that. And we can increase the scale of our text. So I'm going to increase the scale here to maximum like this. And also I will extend the duration of the animation keyframe, so to this, for example, about 2 seconds. Now I'm going to shorten the screenshot here. We can shorten it to this area. Okay, and here's the final result. So if the fire video is not what you are looking for, you can add another video. For example, I can move up this, all of this, and add another video here. So I'm going back to my folder here, and then I'm going to select another one, this one. So maybe this one is good for me. So I'm going to drag and drop it right here, and then I can put it down here at the bottom track. And now I'm going to hide this track, this fire track here, and we have another transition, video in text transition effect in Filmora 10 like this. Very interesting, right? By the way, at this position, at the end of the screenshot, you can also add a this show transition or fade in or fade out transition or stuff like that to make it better. It is up to you. If you go to the transition, and then you can drag and drop the fade in, this one, this show transition to here, and then shorten the duration of the transition. It will look like this. Okay, so that is very easy, right? That is how you can create video in text transition effect in Filmora 10. So I'm going to put this demo at the end of the video so that you can see how is the result look like. Okay, I hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.